but I need a yes or a no from you.
I think I'm like a bag. I promise you I'm not.
I don't judge anybody.
No, you should.
I don't make judgments, but
no, you should.
Before I can
was a
talk.
former crisis counselor.
Okay.
On April 23, 2025, deputies responded to a Florida hotel after staff found a 6-year-old girl crying in the lobby, searching for her mother. The child had come down from the elevator alone. Staff called the mother's phone multiple times. It rang once and went to voicemail. They knocked on the room door. No answer. Under Florida Statute Section 827.03, child neglect is defined as a caregiver's willful failure to provide a child with supervision necessary to maintain the child's safety. The statute allows prosecution based on a single incident. A 6-year-old left alone in a hotel room at night clearly meets this threshold. The child told staff her mother said she would be gone for a while and gave her a fist bump before leaving. Hours later, the mother returned with a man she had met 10 minutes earlier at a bar. Deputies arrested her immediately. She claimed she had been gone less than an hour. Hotel records showed it was closer to 4.
We're in 223.
Okay. Is there a way that we can get into the room?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
We can get you in there.
I want to go up there and try and knock first.
Okay.
We can always TLO a phone number.
They have a phone number.
Okay.
He said he's called multiple
I
times.
called and it's rang one time and went to voicemail.
I want to try and knock and I want to try and call first.
Okay.
He said like an hour ago
young
she
lady.
came down from the elevator crying. He's called the mom's number multiple times. It rings once, goes to voicemail. They went up there and knocked, no answer. Okay.
Can we go up and check the room?
Yeah, I can.
Would you stay with her? We're just going to go up and check the room.
Nope.
Do you know what kind of vehicle she's in?
No, that one I don't know, sir.
Those car keys?
Yeah.
All right.
Looks. I think it might be a rental.
Huh?
Might be a rental.
Why the heck would you leave a 6-year-old alone?
So how long have you been here? Do you like
Do you
a
remember like how many days?
like a
one
couple
day,
days?
2
I don't
days,
know. I only know that I've been here for 3 days. I don't know.
3 days.
I don't know if I've had any
Yeah.
more days. I don't
Okay.
When mommy
Okay.
left, what did she say? What'd she tell you?
Remember what you told me? It's okay. She's my friend.
Yep.
So I promise you, pinky promise you. I pinky listen. I pinky promise you, or I'll go get you another candy right now. Like you can.
Ooh, that's candy. That's pretty good.
I know her, and that's why I called her to come here because I know her, and she's gonna help us.
Yep.
She said that even if it's for a while, she'll come back, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
And then what did she do? She gave you a.
This bus.
Okay. Well, that's cool.
Right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna find her.
Yeah, hey, hold on, let me call you back. Alright, bye.
Come in here for a second, ma'am.
Emily,
Come in here for a second.
come in here. Alright, you wanna face that way? Take your purse
Take your
off.
purse off. You're under arrest.
I'm under.
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Florida, you don't leave a 6-year-old alone in a motel room.
I went out and
Doesn't matter.
Are you kidding me?
Stay this way.
What happened?
You left your daughter in a hotel room by herself for multiple hours.
Not multiple hours.
Well,
Not multiple hours. Not multiple hours.
Search that.
yeah, well, out there.
Are you kidding me?
Alright,
Let me tell them to go do something with
yeah,
the child. 'cause
hold
I'm-
on a second. We don't want your daughter to see you like this.
But like, what happened?
So, we'll explain all that to you. I'm going to read you your rights. and then we'll do an interview, and then I'll explain to you what happened, okay? But we don't want your daughter to see you in handcuffs, so we're gonna
I
move her out the way.
literally told her I was going to be right back, and I'm coming right back down.
Okay, well, I can tell you, we have been here for probably about 30 minutes. The hotel
30
said
minutes.
that she's been down here for over an hour before they called us. So you've been gone a lot longer.
An hour.
Have you ever seen an alligator? Do you want to see an alligator? Come on. We can go.
Yeah, we're gonna walk this
that
way. Yeah.
Let's go see an alligator.
Do you want to be in the cart and I'll push you?
Bring in the bear.
No, she's taking this too. We're all going on this.
Hold on tight.
Don't forget your chocolate
Whoa.
and your tic-tac-toe.
Oh, we'll be right back.
Yeah, we're coming right back.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
I'm gonna go to my car.
Came down here crying.
She wanted to know where you were. You're gonna go on this side.
Which side?
This side. Go all the way up. No, I can open the door. Go all the way up to the front first. All the way up to the front. To the front of the car. There you go. All right, lean up against the car. You have anything on you? It's gonna stick me, poke me, stab me.
I literally left my never left my daughter.
Okay.
Never.
Well, there's always time for something new, I guess. And you did today, so.
Come on. Seriously? Never.
All right. Walk back this way.
Never. Where's my daughter going?
She's with many other deputies,
Okay, cool.
so we've contacted DCF.
Cool. That's awesome.
Okay. All right. Just want to hang
My
out there.
purse is on the trunk.
Yep. I know where it's at.
Okay.
If you want, you could sit with your different way. You can put your cuffs this way. It'll be more comfortable. I'll be back in a minute to ask you some questions, okay? All right. I'm going to read you this, and then it's up to you if you want to talk or not, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of these rights I have explained to you. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Will it let me go to my daughter?
I don't know.
I have never left my daughter. This was the first night ever. And she was asleep. So I thought I could sneak out for an hour. Because I'm newly single. And I was with my husband for 15 and a half years. And the first time I dated was right after him for 3.5 years. It's our first time. I'm the most protective mommy. I'm a counselor. This is embarrassing. Like, I have never, she was asleep. I was like, I'm going to sneak out and have a drink and come back. Like, really? I don't drink.
Having these rights in mind, do you want to talk to me?
I just told you. Is it going to let me go?
I can't give you a yes or no.
Okay.
But I need a yes or a no from you.
You probably think I'm like a bag. I promise you I'm not.
I don't judge anybody.
No, you
I don't
should.
make judgments, but
No, you should.
Before
'cause
I
was
can
a
talk,
former crisis counselor.
okay.
You should.
Before I talk to you, I need a yes or no. It's up to you if you want to talk to me or not. I can't make you.
Which is gonna get me back to my daughter soon.
I can't tell you that. Do you want to think about it before you give me an answer?
It's fine. Whatever. I told you what I need to tell you.
I'm sorry?
I told you what I needed to tell you.
Okay, so you don't want to talk to me?
Do we need anything else here?
I tried.
DCF's coming.
Like, literally,
What's her name?
DCF should not come. We were gone less than an hour. I've never left my daughter in my life.
Let me explain something
But,
to you.
no, can I tell you? I've never left my daughter in my life.
Okay. You're going to be quiet and listen. I don't care how long you were gone for. You were gone for more than an hour because the motel gave you over an hour as a courtesy.
No,
to
they
make
didn't.
sure.
No.
Tell it to the judge, lady. You don't leave a 6-year-old by herself in a
I
motel room.
have never in my
Well, you took
life.
this first time, so now you can get that off your bucket list.
Great. Great. She was asleep.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
I literally have
Huh?
never left my daughter in my life.
Not yet.
In my life.
Do you want me to grab you one?
Yeah, well,
Cool.
Deputies handled the situation with professionalism and compassion. They shielded the child from witnessing the arrest, distracting her with an offer to see an alligator. Miranda rights were properly read. When the mother failed to give a clear waiver, the deputy ceased questioning textbook procedure.
I didn't hear you the first time.
all she's going to do is make an excuse. He said she left at 7:30, so she's been gone 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30.
It's 12 now.
4 hours? No,
Yeah.
that's too much. And then bringing a gentleman back that she doesn't know? No. I don't know about that.
We got him ID'd and all that.
I have not ID'd him yet.
I heard that want to give you a ride home so you don't get a DUI in the golf cart.
Yeah, but she said she just said crash here.
She's not crashing here.
That's what she told me. She said crash here at my place here.
No. She's not crashing here.
She's not?
No.
I don't know. I met her for like 10 minutes ago.
That's what I found out.
But I don't understand how this. It's kind of like alarming how this happened.
It is.
This chick seemed like she was all right.
Yeah. Where'd you meet? Where'd you meet her?
No, I was like I was tapping out at City Fire.
Yeah.
And this chick at the end when I'm tapping out, she's like, "Oh." So I'm like, "Oh." She's like, "Look at me." So I don't know. So she might be a scumbag or something.
Yeah, I don't.
But I only know her like 5 minutes more than you know her.
That's true.
What? And I'm like concerned. Like, why is she? She's cool. I think. Is that her? She's cool. No.
She got some issues.
She's got a history or something.
Yeah.
Ready?
I just know her 5 minutes or 10 minutes more than you know her.
Yep.
You ready?
Ready to go?
Yeah.
This deputy's going to give you a ride home, and tomorrow morning come get your golf cart, and lesson learned. Next time you meet a young lady, all you got to do is say, "Hey, you ain't got no kids in a motel room, do you?" And you'll be good.
I will never go out to get food again. I promise. I promise.
I thought you were going out to get a drink.
I went out to get a drink and got food, which is the whole point. And then, to be fair, honestly, they gave me a shot. But, like, I've never left my daughter. Ever. Ever.
And then you got your daughter in there and you're bringing some grown man that you've never met before back to your room?
No. No. I love how you think that. No.
So, who was the guy that was with you?
He drove me here. Are you kidding me?
Okay.
On my life. I was with my husband 16 years. I was with the next guy 3 years. I don't randoms, okay? I don't know what the you think. I know this is Florida, so it's a little bit wild town. Like, we don't around this shit. Like, I have never in my life left my daughter. I left her to go get food, and I got a drink, and I came back. I've never left her. Never in my life. In my life. This is our first trip as mommy and mom. Like, mommy and daughter. Never.
The deputies receive an A- for a compassionate, legally sound response. The hotel staff receive an A for exemplary reporting and care of the child. The mother receives a D, a serious failure of judgment that constitutes a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years in prison. Her professional background as a counselor makes this lapse particularly difficult to justify. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.